Okay, this is completely random, in the street. Blokes just setting off fireworks, looking everywhere. Look, here we go, down there. And I think there's a big old cannon just about to go zoom here. Now, do you go back to a lit firework? This is the question. Now you've got to remember, this is just in the street, random as you like. Nobody gives a shit. There you go. It's just some sod off air bomb. Alright, it's just, woo! I think I nearly got blown to shit then. Having another go now. That one just fucking exploded around my feet for no apparent reason. So here we go again. Random firework in the street. Mad for it, bloke. I'm not sure what it is. Oh, it's some sort of Roman candle right by the traffic going home. Yeah, they're just mad for it. They don't give a shit, honest to God. I love the Chinese. By the way, we just paid £100 per cup for cups of tea. I'll tell you about that one later. Right, okay, now it's just past this box now. I'm fairly confident this is one of those multi-shot mayhem jobs. Yeah.
Fairly confident, I'm going to
About done, the bloke over the road is doing his own. Oh, there's another one. Right, that is a small child over there lighting that. Oh, yeah.
right by all those cyclists.
Yeah, check out the cyclists. Hello cyclists, riding home from work. Oh, here we go. He's at it again. Out the cyclist. Woo! Okay, they're at it again. This is the one that just blew that bomb up. This is my foot, by the way. And oh, here we go. Right in the traffic. Seriously, man, they're throwing bombs into the traffic. Nutty. Oh man. This is fantastic. Okay, this is just a random high street that we're just on the way back to our hostel, so this is not even the town centre. Oh man, crazy people. Oh, they're going again. Here we go. Are they at it again? I think they are. They're going for another bomb. This is another roadside bomb. They're like terrorists these days. They are the Russians. Oh, here we go. Oh, nice pretty one. Easy stuff. Nothing to scare the cars about. Same machine gun thing going on over there. Oh, the same machine gun thing going on over here. Tell him, Luke, tell him what he's doing.
It's like being in a war zone. I'm in Beirut at the moment. This is Louise Payne reporting from Beirut.
Okay, you're on.
Okay, this is Louise Payne reporting from Beijing. It is the penultimate night of Chinese New Year and they are going bonkers with fireworks. So God knows what the first day and the last day is. As you can see, they do it right by the side of the street, on the pavement. People just walking past nonchalantly and people are cycling past. they actually put explosives in the used firework canisters, so they just basically are bombs and they can go anywhere. And as Richard found out to his cost, they can burn your toes. They are firecrackers, and there are absolutely shed loads of them wherever you look.
Keep talking, keep talking. We're waiting for him to light that thing there. He'll be there in a sec.
I think that's going to be a big one. And they are absolutely everywhere you look in the sky. I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
That was right behind us. Louise, put it away. Oh, just sit these things up behind us. You finished? Okay. Can I finish? Okay. Okay, I finish. Can I finish? Okay, I'm still going. Can I finish? Okay. Oh no, there's a bloke over there, look, what's he going to do with that one?
Yeah,
Wave it around. Check it out, Bart. I wouldn't stand there, mate. He just blew that bloke up. Fantastic. And he's got the stress about it.